Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.84. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.92% since we first listed Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate 13 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.84% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the middle of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 51.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 32.28% to 58.11%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 32.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 96.15% to negative 28.48% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.87 and $34.66. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock price down 0.574% on Thursday. The Supermicrocomputer stock price fell by negative 0.574% on the last day, Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, from $48.74 to $48.46. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.50% with a day low at $48.42 and a day high of $49.63. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.97% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 9 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares bought and sold for approximately $893,940,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $96.33, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 49.69% or $47.87, below the 52-week high, and 60.57% or $74.44, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, is experiencing a notable resurgence in its stock performance, recovering from a significant sell-off in the year 2024 due to regulatory concerns. As of July 3, 2025, the stock has appreciated nearly 10 times since 2022, currently valued around $47 per share. Analysts predict that the company's intrinsic value could reach $100 based on a discounted cash flow analysis. This valuation is supported by SMCI's robust revenue growth and strong performance in the burgeoning artificial intelligence sector, bolstered by partnerships with industry leaders like NVIDIA and AMD. Moreover, recent trends indicate a bullish market sentiment for SMCI, similar to other tech stocks like Tesla and Palantir, which are also trending upward ahead of a long weekend. The broader trend in the technology sector, especially among AI-related stocks, suggests that SMCI is well positioned for continued growth. With its currently modest price-to-sales ratio of 1.3, significantly lower than comparable value stocks, there's potential for substantial upside in both the short and long term. As investor confidence strengthens, bolstered by recent strategic announcements, SMCI's stock may continue to attract interest. This sustained optimism could drive prices higher, signaling a promising outlook as the company taps into the expanding demand for advanced server systems. Overall, the momentum is likely to attract investors, potentially leading to further gains for SMCI in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a sector weight grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Super Microcomputer stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Super Microcomputer. The Super Microcomputer stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $48.12 and $43.79. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 26, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 1.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically mirrors price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, indicating a buy signal. Pivots, indicating a sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands, indicating a buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, indicating a buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, indicating a buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 36 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 31 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. Super Microcomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $46.15. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.21 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.5%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let us briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.44. Monitoring these figures is crucial as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $48.74. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro Computer encounters its first support level at $46.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro Computer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Luliang Chu Sarah, who bought and sold 2,867 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 85.097. In total, insiders purchased 109,866 shares and sold 1,401,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.38, reflecting a decrease of 4.29%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Supermicro Computer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Supermicro Computer stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we expect Supermicro Computer to open higher by approximately 37 cents and start trading at $48.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.